Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana pecan bread using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients, including 3 ripe bananas, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Begin by mashing the bananas in a large bowl until they are smooth and creamy. This step is crucial for a moist loaf. While you are mashing, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's combine our wet ingredients. Add 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and your melted butter to the mashed bananas. Whisk everything together until well incorporated. In a separate bowl, prepare your dry ingredients: 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gently fold the dry mixture into the wet ingredients, mixing just until no streaks of flour remain. Over-mixing can make the bread tough. It's time to add the star of the show, the pecans. Gently fold in 1/2 cup of chopped pecans into your batter. This adds a wonderful crunch and nutty flavor. Next, pour the batter evenly into a greased 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The aroma will be incredible. Once baked, let your banana pecan bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it firm up before you transfer it. Then, carefully remove the loaf and place it on a wire rack to cool completely. Patience is key here. Cooling ensures a perfect slice and texture. Finally, slice and enjoy your homemade treat. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.